You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their website on www.bellytechservices.com.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Oboypapi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I will be right back.
The most spoken language in Ghana right now, Twi, was recently added to Google Translate with other 24 new languages. For years, Google Translate has been instrumental in breaking down language barriers and uniting cultures all over the globe. Even more people are now able to do so, especially those whose languages aren't supported by the most technology, thanks to this free software. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can translate Twi to any language you want using Google Translator, and of course, we will discuss what exactly Google Translator is. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. You already know the drill. To properly understand how this approach functions, please watch the entire video without skipping a single frame. This video was sponsored by Ecobank, a crypto gaming platform where you can play games and get rewarded in cryptocurrency. To make money with this platform, you must register an account, which is easy to accomplish. I'll leave a link on the video description. You are required to provide an active email address and a strong password. Please don't hesitate to use my referral code. On the next page, you must verify your email, so quickly check your mail and click on the activation link. Now I'm all set to try these games, but before I play, I will deposit some cash to my wallet. Click deposit and change the currency to your preferred coin. Go ahead and choose the network. I'll stick with TRC20, and finally I'll copy the deposit address. I will then visit my Binance wallet to make the transfer. I'll start by clicking withdraw, then paste the address from the website, and I choose the network for processing, which is TRC20. I'll proceed to enter the amount I want to recharge. I propose, however, that you add the processing fee to whatever the amount that you want to withdraw. That is, if you want to obtain the exact amount you want to deposit. Click withdraw at the end of the process. My request has been sent, and the transaction will take a few minutes to complete. Finally, it's completed, so let's check my account to see whether it's been deposited. Oh yeah, it was credited to my account balance, and now I'll bet on one of these games. I'll start with a classic dice, which is very simple to play but complicated in the beginning. You enter the bet amount, which I prefer to be 1 USDT, then I select one of those below. Looks like I want 2 USDT. Now you can repeat the same process again to earn as much as you want. You can also partake in the year bet reel. You can enter your gift code, which is your referral code. You need a spin to be able to use this reel, and if you check below, I have 0 spin. Now you get a free spin when you make a deposit using any of the currencies. Aside from that, you earn a free spin when you play the Wingo and the Crash game with a minimum of $1. You can also earn a free spin when your total betting wage reaches $50. Withdrawal too is faster. On the withdrawal page, all you need is your wallet address. I'll visit Binance to copy mine. On Binance wallet, I'll click deposit and copy my address, then head back to the website. I'll paste the address, then enter the amount and click confirm. I'm required to verify my phone number, so I'll change the country code and provide my digit. My withdrawal was successful and I received the funds in my Binance wallet. You can also make money using the referral program. When you join the platform, you're automatically on bronze, which means you earn 30% commission from the people under you. When the people you bring on board reaches 200, you move to silver and you earn 40% when the 200 people profit reaches $1,000. You upgrade to gold status when you bring on 2,000 new members, and you start earning 50% of their combined profit when they hit $8,500. Now back to our video. I know that majority of you are curious to know what Google Translate is. Google Translate is a digital tool that provides extremely quick text and web content translation in multiple languages. Any device with an internet service can use it, and it supports more than 120 different languages. Now let's look at how you can access Google Translate. There are two ways you can use Google Translator. One, access Google Translate using the mobile app. Google Translate offers mobile apps for Android and iOS. You can download the app based on your device. After downloading the app on your phone, proceed to launch the Google Translate program. There will be an open Google Translate window. Select the language you want to use by clicking the language tab. Now select the language tab and type tree into the box. Click Translate to translate your typed content from the selected language to tree. Let's try out some words and see if the software works perfectly well. Nyame, which means God. As you see above, the software got it correct. Now 2. You can access Google Translate directly on Google using your browser. Google Translate offers a website interface. All you have to do is open the preferred web browser. In the search tab, type Google Translate and press enter. The Google Translate interface will be open. Now click on the language from the tab and select the language you want to use. After, click on the language tab and search for tree. Now tap your preferred content and it will automatically be translated from the chosen language to tree. I tried this out by tapping give me money, which was successfully translated Mamisika. I believe this video was very helpful. Kindly share it with your friends and loved ones, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back with an update as soon as possible. I will catch you up on my next video.
Even fake life don't dey expensive for my country. My guy, if you don't get money, even fake life, you don't feel live. Oh. Even fake life don't dey expensive for my country. My guy, if you don't get money, even fake life, you don't feel live. Oh.
Do you want to become a successful YouTuber? Then know where to look. Uni Lifetime has the course that will help you to achieve your ambitions. Additionally, there are various programs that might assist you in pursuing your dream careers. With less than 50 Ghana cedis, you can enroll in video editing and blogging programs, graphic design, web design, and other courses. Simply go to www.unilifetime.com and begin your career adventure as soon as possible.
Even fake life don't dey expensive for my country. My guy, if you don't get money, even fake life, you don't feel live. Oh.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down myself.